Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo in Canva for your Shopify page. So first, we're going to start with canva.com. And from here, also make sure that you're logged into your account. And in the search bar, we're just going to search for a logo template. So just press enter. So from here, you can see creative various logo designs that you can choose from and start editing. And we're just going to say, for example, use this logo and click on customize this template. And from here, you can start editing and customizing this logo. You can start changing names, colors, fonts. And once done, we're just going to export this. Just click on file. Then next is click on download. So you can choose a file type if you want to save this as PNG or JPG, then proceed by clicking on download. Next, in a new tab, head over to admin.shopify.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then next, just click on online store. Then beside your current theme, click on customize. Next, in the left panel, click on theme settings icon. Then scroll down until you see logo. Click on it. And from here, just below desktop logo, we're going to click on select, then add files, and we're just going to add in the file or photo that we created on Canva. Open it. Then once the file is uploaded, just click on done. And as you can see, the logo is now added on our website. Then to finalize everything, just click on the save button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!